friends, welcome back to Wellness Wednesday. So magnesium is talk of the town and we all have been hearing a lot about magnesium. But do you know that a recent research published says that if you take 550 grams of magnesium every single day, then that has shown effect even during old age. So yes, the cognitive decline that happens in our brain or the brain shrinkage that happens with aging can be reduced just by taking 550 grams of magnesium. This is a recent study that was published, and thus it is going to protect our brain, it's going to improve brain health, as well as it reduces neurodegeneration. So magnesium is good for sleep. We all have heard that. We have heard so many videos and reels which talk about if you don't get good sleep, then you should have magnesium in the night, and magnesium is going to really improve your sleep and so on. Yes, all that is true. But brain protection, I think, is the groundbreaking, more important symptom or helpful symptom that magnesium is creating in our body. And magnesium can also be included in our diet. It can be taken as our food. It need not always be magnesium supplement or a chemical variant of magnesium. But if you include pumpkin seeds, avocado, almonds, cashews, green leafy vegetables, and dark chocolate in your daily routine, then yes, you can get magnesium through all these foods. And magnesium quota of the day, the daily requirement, can be met just with including all these foods in your routine daily food preparations. So guys, take magnesium at least 550 grams per day and protect your brain. That's very, very important. So better than, I would say better, but yeah, alongside looking good and staying fit, having good brain is very important. So do take care of your brain. With so much of stress everywhere around, with so much of screen times and so many electromagnetic waves, our brain is really under a lot of stress. So do eat magnesium to give it a health boost. So guys, take care. I'll see you next week with another wellness tip. But till then, keep protecting your brain. Bye.